Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change background color on Wix. So let's get started. So for this, let's just click on the page that we want to change in background color. So for this, just click on change background. And for right now, you can see the option for color. So click on color. Then once you have done that, you will be able to see in here a lot of colors that you can choose from. So for me, I'll just choose this right here. Once I have done that, as you can see, the color picker will actually look like that. And as you can see, it will be able to change it. So as you can see, this one is just a section and it is not really the background. But if you want to change the background, you can actually just apply the same way that you change your section to your background. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change the background color and look. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!